So let's begin our first exercise. After adjusting your legs, lock your hands straight and try to make a circle. Just round and round. Do you know, guys, while doing this, you are also relieving your back pain. Also, by doing this, you will get strong hips flexors, which will improve your run, your spin game, or your squats. Here's one more benefit of this exercise, that it strengthens your thighs and backside, as side leg raise or pushing away the leg from your midline is a simply great way to build strength in outer thigh and hips of abductors, and it also helps to build body mass and helps to strengthen your body muscles in a better way. This exercise also helps you to get a better body posture, which is very important for you in your daily life routines. Also improves the flexibility of your body, and it also reduces the risk of chronic illnesses. You can do 2 sets of 20 in a day. A few minutes break between them, and in break just breathe in and breathe out. Relax your body, breathe in and breathe out. Yes.